Ya, panas.
Meletup kan? Mari pun dah ni ada meletup.
Ya kah?
The trails at Niah National Park have been temporarily closed after a lightning strike sparked a fire on Monday. The Sarawak Forestry Corporation said park management received reports of thick smoke rising from the limestone hill near Kuala Niah at about 9 a.m. Preliminary investigations indicate a thunderstorm swept through the park from 7 a.m., with the blaze believed to have been triggered by a lightning strike. A monitoring team located the fire near Sungai Tanggal, and the area beside Traders Cave found the fire spreading rapidly and reported hearing explosions from the limestone formation, raising fears of falling rocks along the trail to Traders Cave and the nearby Tangap community stalls. As a precaution, all trails at Niah National Park have been closed until further notice to ensure visitor safety. Meanwhile, the Sarawak Fire and Rescue Department said its air unit based in Miri will be deployed to support firefighting operations through waterbombing. Located near Miri, Niah National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its caves are a renowned archaeological site where some of Southeast Asia's oldest human remains have been discovered.